Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm here doing a little review on our new tent. It's the 6 Moon Design Lunar Dual. We've had it out twice so far this year, and so far we're liking it. It's a 3-season tent. Sleeps 2 people. Okay guys, as you can see, it's a one-wall design tent. It's got mesh on both sides. It's pretty roomy. It's designed for 2 people. It's got 2 doors, which is nice. You don't have to crawl over the person that you're camping with or hiking with. The outside material is a 190T polyester, and the rest of the tent is no-seam mesh. Tent weighs 57 ounces. Only comes in one color, gray. And so far it's been a pretty good tent. We've had it out twice on 2 backpacking trips. Haven't had any problems so far. No problems with condensation yet. We haven't had it completely sealed up yet. We had to seam seal it. It does not come seam sealed from 6 Moon Design. It doesn't come with stakes. It's a trekking pole tent, but we purchased the carbon fiber poles with it. They're the 45-inch carbon fiber poles. LITE KK zippers. And there are 2 little arch poles that are up here on the top, and they are aluminum. So far it's been a good tent. And it does come with the additional guide outs to make a little bit more headroom. One on each side. And it's a little windy here today. So like I said, the only thing I don't like about this so far are these little hooks. These little hooks are designed to go on these tabs. And it's really hard to get that hook onto that. And with these little S-beaners, take these little S-beaners, just hook them to the little clip and pull that down. And it works. I did that on both sides. As you can tell, we're here at the Whitewater Preserve. Okay guys, so the 6 Moon Designs Lunar Dual Outfitter, one of their heavier tents. Like I said, it was 57 ounces, which is not bad. It's a lot lighter than the tent that I had before. These are the 2 arch poles that the tent comes with. They're aluminum. For 190 bucks, it's a pretty good deal. It's not as light as some of their other tents, but it gets you into the market, into the game a little bit. Things that this tent does not come with. It does not come with tent stakes. I went out and got some MSR Groundhogs. You only need 6, but 8 is the maximum for the extra guidelines and stuff. So MSR Groundhogs, I have the short versions. I also have long versions. Something else, I'm not a big trekking pole person. I do use trekking poles, but I don't use them a lot. So we did buy the carbon fiber tent poles from 6 Minute Design, 45-inch. 2 of them were, I think, 70 bucks. It's a good purchase. They're pretty light, but I think they're like 3 ounces for both of them. Would I buy this tent again? Yes, I would buy this tent again. I might go with the lighter one. The Explorer is a little bit lighter. The reason why we bought this tent was the footprint. Was wide enough for both pads that Susan and I use. She has a 25-inch pad, and I have a 22-inch pad. And the floor on this is flies here. The floor here is 54 inches by 90 inches, I think, is the floor space. But it's a good tent, and I would definitely purchase again. I am looking into, at some point, maybe getting a Lunar Solo or a Skyscape Trekker. Not sure. Still looking. If you like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Okay guys, and you can see that the tent that comes down pretty quick.